We've been manufacturing grills and registers in the Northwest since 1947 and are located just 85 miles east of Seattle in Cle Elum, Washington. We have the ability to manufacture over 100,000 different commercial and industrial GRDs to fit your needs. Our 115 employees operating a 250,000 square foot factory produce over 12,000 products per day. We are the one-stop shop providing products for multifamily, commercial, industrial dampers, and code-driven fire-rated products. We take pride in gathering and implementing feedback from our mechanical contractors and engineers. Our 3-inch collar offering is a great example of this. It was designed from field feedback all the way down to the location of the bead. This customer requested option is available on all T-bar and hard lid series and can be made as small as 5 inches up to 20 inches. That makes this standard Shoemaker collar 2 inches taller than anyone's in the industry. We also offer the most comprehensive spiral series in the entire industry. Our flush mount spiral, the RS series, come with a one-piece frame, removing the issue caused by standard industry mitered corners. Our transition box, the SD series, keep all blades and dampers out of the airstream. Our spirals can be made with adjustable single and double deflection with dampers and scoops. These are standard galvanized finish to match spiral pipe, but can be powder coated as well. Shoemaker manufactures a full line of dampers and louvers with no extended lead times.
We also offer a full complement of UL-rated products for multifamily and commercial code-driven needs. Next, I'd like to show you our linears. Our linears are some of the finest looking in the industry. Multiple mounting and finish options are available, as well as custom shapes. Our brand new state-of-the-art, fully recyclable paint system can be changed from one color to another in less than 10 minutes. That means your lead time will not be extended if you pick one of our powder coat colors. Baked on, powder coating ensures you a durable, excellent coverage, and it does not chip like E-coat grills you may be used to. All components we use are designed for this high temperature finish, meaning your blades and dampers will function as designed and not rattle after the painting is applied and cured. We understand the importance of time on a job site, so we offer custom packaging and shipping solutions, allowing Shoemaker GRDs to contribute towards saving time rather than wasting time. As you can see here on this order, we have the ability to mark individual boxes with tags and locations, and we can also palletize to your specifications. You tell us what you need and we'll make it happen. Once the order is packaged and labeled according to your instructions, our Shoemaker drivers load their own trucks and deliver direct to make sure our products get delivered on time and with no damage. We know grills and registers are hard and a wide product offering can be confusing, so we have created and continue to add industry-leading tools to make it easy for you. Our e-tools include a selectable product finder, competitor cross-reference, Revit files, and interactive submittals. Thanks for taking this virtual tour. Please contact me if you would like to schedule an in-person tour or if you have any other questions about Shoemaker Manufacturing.